What is going on? Today I'm gonna show you how to use AI to make CashCow channels for YouTube. With CashCow channels you can just basically get small real pieces of real estate but on the internet. You can make content with AI, doesn't take too much effort and it basically runs itself. You can have the whole system set up and it will run for you. All you have to do is collect the money from the advertisement income and check if your quality is good enough. So basically today I'm going to be showing you a presentation on how I did it and how I got my cash cows profitable and how you can do it as well. So basically, like I said, a cash cow is something that makes you money online with YouTube, like a digital piece of real estate. And you have the most cash cows are faceless. So you're not showing your face, you're basically making videos like compilations of things, body cam videos, it could be anything, animations, anything. It could be about so many things, like stories or whatever is entertaining is working at the moment. And the nice thing about this is it can be completely automated. So once you set everything up, it just like pushes out videos every day and you don't have to look at it. I mean, you do have to do a certain quality control for the videos, but other than that, it's automated. So the nice thing is it's primarily by ad revenue. You can make the money. Yeah, you just link your Google ad account once you have the monetization criteria, and yeah, like it's saying it right here, it's basically an asset, and the asset is it continues to make money even though it's maybe a year or 10 years. It doesn't matter. So metrics are the CPM, is how much the advertisers pay, the RPM, what you actually make, the revenue per mille, and the niche check. And this is basically see what niche you're going to do. So you have high paying niches, so it pays a lot more. So you will say, oh, why don't you just pick the highest RPM? Well, it could be that it's really saturated. There's a lot of people are doing it, and because people cannot watch all those videos at the same time, you need to understand how populated and how busy a certain niche is. So very important is the production. So in the beginning you have the script. This used to take a lot of time and effort, but now you can use Scribr. Scribr is basically a platform that writes scripts for you. Next step is video editing. This is still the biggest step, but you have platforms. NextLev has like an automated video production that can make videos for you. It's really nice. So again, that's also not that much difficult anymore, but you can hire a video editor if you want. Then you have the voiceover. You can use 11 Labs for voiceover. It's AI. It's less expensive than the voiceover artist. And then last step, you have a thumbnail. And again, this also can be made with the AI, like Gemini or any other platform. So yeah, this time it's never been easier than ever. It also means the barrier to entry is quite low and there's gonna be more competition, but it's a nice way to start at least. So thumbnails are really important. Check your competitors, it's really important because thumbnails is like your business card. If people check it out and they don't like it, it doesn't matter if you do the rest, if the thumbnail is the best thing about it. And yeah, make sure to track it. What I did, I put it at Airtable, and I put like a list of like, hey, these are my channels with the credentials. I put a list with if it's active enough, is it monetized, and that way you can really track it, and it's really nice to see. It's like digital pieces of real estate. It's really great. And if you have any freelancers, you can manage it with Trello. I use Trello for my video editors, and it's great, and they can just drag it to the right, and they can also ask them to upload it. You can give them permission to do so. And once you're getting success, you can also coach other people. And if you want to fast track this process, I'm gonna guess it's maybe gonna take a year, so definitely not gonna be an overnight success. Also be able to coach someone, and you can charge for that. That's also a nice thing. You can help people get financially free with this system as well. So I hope you enjoyed it. Please watch the next video of mine and take care.